Hi, I'm Dr. Chobanian, and I would like to discuss a question that many parents bring me when they bring their young teenagers for rhinoplasty. And they often ask, what is the right age to do rhinoplasty? Is 15, 16 too young? Should we wait until they're 18 or 20 or 21? And this is my general rule for the proper age for a teenager to have rhinoplasty. It's different for girls than it is for boys. With girls, there's been some medical literature that says it's okay to do a rhinoplasty on a 12-year-old if they started their menstrual cycle. However, 12 I feel is young and psychologically difficult for the patient to undergo the stress of surgery. However, with girls, if they started their menstrual cycle and they generally have a normal, regular menstrual cycle, the epiphyseal plates or the growth plates in the bones have closed, and then it's safe to perform a rhinoplasty. I generally start doing rhinoplasties on girls at age 15 and a half to 16. I have done a handful of 14-year-olds in my practice, and most of those 14-year-olds have been referred to me for psychological reasons. These children are getting bullied or harassed at school because of their appearance. They have a large nose, and it creates problems with self-image. I have done a handful of 14-year-olds. However, the bones are often very soft at that age, and you may be looking at a revision rhinoplasty down the road. For boys, military records have shown that boys will continue to grow until about the age 23. So with boys, their growth spurt is much later in their teenage years, and with boys, I do not like to do a rhinoplasty earlier than 17 or 18. Okay, by that time their bone growth is fairly mature, and a rhinoplasty that you do will stay for the rest of their lives. So this is a very common question that parents often bring me in the office, and if you have a young teenager who's getting laughed at school because of their nose and you want to know what the proper age is, I'm happy to discuss it with you in person. In fact, I just did a rhinoplasty and took the bandages off a 15-year-old girl, and I have to commend her maturity, her motivation. She wanted to have the rhinoplasty done. She was well motivated, and the results turned out beautiful. It improved her confidence, her self-image, and she was just ecstatic.